Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you are having a fantastic day as we head into this Thanksgiving season. Today I have my Boxycharm premium box. So let's get in here and see what I got. Boxycharm Premium is a $35 per month box. You can get this every single month. It is 6 to 7 products. I think we're guaranteed $175 in value or more. You can have the Boxy base box that is $25 per month, and you get 5 products with I think $125 in value. And you can get the Boxy Luxe, which if you choose the Boxy Luxe, it's just like miraculously every third month your Boxy base goes away and becomes a Boxy Luxe. And that is a $49.99 box, but you don't have your base box that same month. Enough about that. This is the premium, so 6 to 7 products, $175 worth of value. I know one thing in here because they let us, I think they only let us pick one this month for November, just one. We'll see. Everything else will be a complete surprise depending on which variation I got. My base box, which I have already opened and put up, was fantastic. So I have high hopes for my premium. So when we open it up, trying to hold it very cleverly. There we go. That is what it looks like. So exciting. Okay, maybe not yet. Now is it exciting? I hope so. We can only see one thing. There is literally one thing on top. It is a palette, and it was my choice. Okay, we still don't know anything. I'm going to set the palette aside and dig further down. Wow, have to wonder what this, I have one little thing in here that they protected with all of this. You just never know. And then that is the rest of my box. Okay, I got 5. It is variation number 5. Kind of blowing my whole, if you get a lower number, you'll get it earlier in the month out of the water, because where are we? This is like, I think I'm taping this on the, I want to say 19th. It's Thursday. So whatever number that is, like 19, 20. And I haven't had this but a couple days, so, and 5. Let's dig right in and see what variation 5 got me. First of all, I have an Australian certified, ooh, that's a lot of words that I don't think, here we go. Detox Night Cream from Grown Alchemist. I do like some of the Grown Alchemist products. The ones that I can use, I really like. The fact that it says detox makes me think that it's probably not for me, but we'll read about it before we decide that. Oh, that's pretty. That's something else I like about the Grown Alchemist is they come in the metal tubes, and I just like this. You know, maybe because I'm old enough that I can go back to like when toothpaste came in tubes like this. Wow. Well, we're gonna blow right by that. Let's see what it tells us about the Grown Alchemist. Detox Night Cream, Peptide 3, Echinacea, and Racia extract. This advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, echinacea, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. $125. Crackers and cheese, that is expensive. Let me read the ingredients and see if this is something I can use. Wow, $125. If you've used this before, let me know below. Did you have good luck? So I just got the ingredients and I want to be like, because I got to the bottom and it's something that I can use. And then the very first line after the ingredients says, to ensure that your skin is 100% compatible with this product, test a small amount on a patch of your skin prior to use. It is extremely unlikely you will experience a negative reaction to this or any of our products. However, if for some reason you do, discontinue use and consult your physician. Why would they say that? You know what? It is a $125 product. I am going to do some reading on this before I break it open, because if I can't use it, I would be heartbroken if I couldn't pass it on for $125. We need me to look into this. Okay, again, if you've used it and had good or bad luck with it, let me know below. All right, reaching in next, I have a RealHer Lip Liner Duo with no color clues on the outside. that is what that looks like. Let's check this out. I think it's so interesting that they put tape on the top so it's sealed. So, you know, you could just go in through the bottom. It's like cheating. We have, oh, these are kind of pretty. Yep, I'm definitely gonna try them. I love a lip liner. I never used to use them, never. I've said this before probably. In my 20s and 30s, I always thought they were ridiculous. My lipsticks didn't bleed, nothing went anywhere. I didn't need a base. Now it's kind of like piping icing. If you do a nice, you probably only got that if you're a baker and you use royal icings, but you know what I mean. This one is called I Am Confident, and it's kind of a brownish, and this one is called Be Yourself. And that is what that looks like. Well, let's check out the colors. Oh yes, they're twist ups. Love it. Oh, that's so pretty. Very neutral, kind of brownish, but there's a little bit of mauve underneath it, so that's fantastic. And this one, ooh, it's dark. Look how dark this one is. Very nice and creamy. Oh, it's beautiful. I would use that as a lipstick. That is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I will. This one will get used. I wear a lot of lipsticks that are very near this color. All right, let's see what the paperwork says. RealHer Lip Liner Duo. Line your lips with ease. This creamy formula is infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter, providing a smooth application and natural matte finish. Choose between our deep nude and true red while preventing your favorite lipstick, matte or moisturizing, from bleeding or feathering. $25. And I just realized I did not show you guys this. This month for November 2020 is the harvest. That's the theme. Okay, next I have a dose of colors. Lock and Key. I don't know what that is yet. I'm going to assume it's likely a single eyeshadow color. Block Party Eyeshadow, Lock and Key. Oh, wow. I'm not gonna touch that. I have said a bajillion times, I just don't use single color eyeshadow pans. I just don't reach for them. So I will put this in a giveaway, but let me tell you a little bit about it. Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes in its own mirrored compact, $20. Okay, reaching in next, I have an Ilia Color Block High Impact Lipstick. And that is what that looks like. And it is in Amber Light. Let's see what Amber Light means. Amber Light to me would be kind of a dark topaz, you know, like a lightish orange, real warm color. Oh, it's very nice packaging. That is what that looks like. Yes, I accept this as Amber Light. That is what that looks like. It's kind of warm, but I think I might use it. That's so pretty. And oh my goodness, the color, can you guys tell the great color payoff it had? And it's got, let me try and tilt it so it catches the light. It's got kind of a satiny finish. It's really great pigment. I mean, it just swiped really great pigment. I like that a lot. It's a little warmer than I would normally choose, but I'm trying to be more open-minded these days. It does not, however, really go with either of my lip liners. I mean, the closest would be this nude, but I don't know if you can tell, this is much browner than this. Okay, let's see what they said about this. Ilia Beauty Color Block High Impact Lipstick. This lipstick is high pigment, long wearing, truly hydrating, and provides full coverage in just one swipe. I found that to be true. It's crafted by hand and milled with customized pigments in organic castor seed oil to offer 4 times more color. Interesting. $28. Well, I will definitely be giving that a try. Next I have, and I think this is interesting. I saw this in spoilers, and I really kind of thought that maybe the people who got these would get some kind of mask or something to apply them with, but this is the Cosmetics Cleansing Brush and Dual-Sided Silicone Mask Applicator. Well, we're taking these out here because I want to feel these things. So I don't know if the boxes have gotten together and conspired against me. I don't know if you've seen my Balm and Mom Jams and Jellies Advent unboxing. That box tried to throw me down and step on my neck. I'm just saying. Okay, this is what these look like. This is, oh, it's very soft. I like this a lot. This is a mask applicator, and it's got a solid side and a nubbly side for, you know, taking it off. but that's what that looks like. And then this one I'm guessing is the cleansing brush. Oh, it's very soft. I did not anticipate that being that soft. Oh, that feels really cool. That is what that looks like. Let's read about them. Can you see the nubblies better if I do this? Let's read about them and see what it says. Cosmetics Skincare Brush Set. Take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush design for gentle exfoliation and effective deep cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or masks. The ultimate precision and no mess. And this is a $25 value. And just for the record, it says new launch. So I don't know if it's new to them also. That's pretty cool. I mean, we get a lot of brushes, but these are different. So I guess you kind of wet your face. Well, let's see what the directions say. Wet your face, maybe put a little bit of your cleanser on here, and then I kind of like that. I actually have a Clarisonic, but because of my sensitivities, if I use it more than like once or twice a week, I start getting real red. I know. Apply cleanser to brush and use circular motions on the face and décolletage to gently wash away makeup and pollutants. Pairs perfectly with creams, foaming gels, and milk cleansers. I like it. I kind of feel like this one is self-explanatory. They are very light though. I like this. I will absolutely be giving this a try. And last, and what was my choice, is the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. And it is 12 by 1 gram palettes. That is what the front looks like. The back says that it is cruelty-free and vegan, and it's made in the PRC, which is China, and it is mica and talc, for those of you who care about that. This is really heavy. It's a cardboard one, but it is a really heavy, I mean heavily weighted palette. And the name of the palette is Unveiled. So let's open it up and unveil it. Ooh, it's very pretty. Very neutral, but because of that, I think very usable. That is what it looks like. That is so pretty. Let's swatch some of this. The bottom is just neutrals. These are mattes, these are shimmers, and this is just neutrals, straight across from lightest to darkest. Those are pretty. I don't really think I need to swatch them. Well, let's swatch a couple just to see. Oh yeah, they're nice and creamy. I was gonna say to see if they're creamy or if there's a lot of kick up. They're very nice. I like that formula. That's what they look like. See how close in color they are? Let's see how they swatch. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. Very nudie natural. I like that a lot. Let's swatch these three here. Oh my goodness, these are so creamy. I haven't even looked at my finger yet, but they are so creamy and nice. Yeah, they are gorgeous. That is what those look like. Yeah, those are beautiful. Love that. I will totally wear those. So those are the three shimmers that I did, and then those are the three mattes. And the lipsticks and the liners. So that's my Boxycharm Premium Box. I like it. I like it a lot. I love this palette that I picked. This is so like day-to-day wearable, to live in these neutrals and then put one of these for some shine and shimmer. Very, very wearable. I will absolutely wear this. I got this nice Ilia lippy, which I like a lot. The formula is fantastic. The RealHer lip liners, it's kind of fun. I have enough makeup that I can pick something up and point to it. That's kind of fun. So the RealHer lip liners in this dark nude and this real red, as they say. A dose of colors, which I cannot point to because I did not swatch, because I want to be able to save it for one of you guys. I just don't reach for single pan colors unless they're like a very nude, something that I can just use as a nude and move on with my life. We have these two cosmetics brushes. One is an actual cleansing brush. The other is kind of a silicone paddle for putting on masks or creams. And then this $125 Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream, which I am going to read more about before I open it, because if I can't use it, I want to be able to pass it along. For $125, it needs not to be sitting in my drawer not having a life. Let me do the math and see what this box was worth. I'll just stop right there and tell you that 2 products in, because the Grown Alchemist is $125 and the Illamasqua, oh, I didn't read to you about the Illamasqua. The Illamasqua palette is $50. Those 2 products are the $175 that they say this box will be. just in those two. This says Unveiled Artistry Palette. Express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in satin matte and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color intense finish, allowing you to create any number of unique nude looks, from natural everyday to the perfect smoky eye. I think so too. It's very pretty. Okay, back to doing my math. So the value of my box is $273 for a $35 box. Yeah, you can't beat that. I mean, that's a really good deal. But like I always say, it's only a good deal if these are products you're going to use. If I can use this $125 night cream, I'm going to try it. I am definitely going to use this. And this is $15 more than just the cost of my box. This lippy is gorgeous. I mean, the shine on it is gorgeous. I will always use lip pencils. I like lip pencils. I know some people get so annoyed at getting them. Let me know below. Do you get annoyed with getting the lip pencils? I like them, especially when they're usable colors for me. The dose of color is not so great. I kind of think that a single shadow is kind of a throwaway because most of us, not all of us, let me know below how you fall in this. I think most of us have gone to palettes. So I just don't reach for like, oh, what color would I like to wear today? Even if I'm sitting around my house, I usually wear 2 or 3 colors. I don't know. And then these are gonna be fun to try. I can't wait to try this little cleanser one and see if I can just, I think it sounds kind of cool. All right, thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Let me know what variation you got, what you got in your Boxycharm Premium, and let's talk. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon, guys.